It's now been more than 1 month that I started working with a prep center for my Amazon FBA online arbitrage business. And I've seen the kind of mistakes you can make. I've done mistakes myself. I've seen the mistakes that you can easily get trapped in when you start working with prep center. And today I'm going to give you 5 mistakes that you need to avoid as much as possible when you start working with a prep center and when you are working with a prep center. Before we do, we have a Discord server. You know the drill already. Discord server, link in the description. Join it. Best place to ask any questions you may have regarding selling on Amazon. If you want to ask for advice and stuff, I'm always hanging out over there answering everybody's questions. It's super time consuming, but I still do it. And as the channel will grow, it will be harder for me to answer everybody, but I'm still doing it. Even if it gets a little bit harder now, I'm still doing it. So join the Discord server right now, take advantage of that, and as long as I'm able to answer everybody, like, join it. And it's, even if I'm not answering questions, other people are. What I love about the Discord server is that everybody is trying to help everybody. Everybody helps each other, and it's just beautiful. All right, so join the Discord server, link in the description, and let's start this video. So the first mistake this is something that I've done myself. The first mistake that you need to try to avoid when you start working with Prep Center is not asking for a sheet with all the fees that they are going to charge you, because you're gonna get surprised by some fees. All right, you think that you're gonna pay $1.50 per unit, or $2.50 and not for certain categories of product, but you're gonna get surprised for surprise. Like, it's a beautiful surprise. You're gonna see that an invoice that you expected to pay only $200 for turn into $450. All right, and I cannot even speak anymore because I'm pissed off just thinking about that. Right? Make sure you ask before you start working. You ask for a sheet with all the fees that they charge, the different fees, to make sure that if they want to charge you for something else that is not in there, you can just tell them, hey, I did not know, you never told me that this fee, like, you would charge this fee for this type of product and stuff, so I'm not gonna pay that. All right, you need to have some leverage. All right, and to do that, make sure you ask for all the fees when you start working with them. All right. Number 2, it's going to be a little bit related, is trusting them blindly and not double checking your invoice when you receive them and just paying them. Do not do that. Check every single line. Make sure that they charge you for the right amount. All right. Do not let them take advantage of you because you just want to, you don't want to dive into it and make sure that everything is right. Check every single line on your invoice. Make sure that it match whatever, just make sure. Do not trust them blindly, and you'll be all right, because if not, they're gonna overcharge you. You're gonna lose money and stuff. All right, that was number 2. Number 3 is related. All right, and it's, if you notice that they do not have integrity and they try to take advantage of you, like, you should move fast to another prep center. Do not keep working with them. Right. So with the first 2 points, right? If you notice that they try to take advantage of you, just first make sure that it's, try to figure out if it's your mistake for not actually checking the stuff, or it's their mistake, they are trying to take advantage of you. Try to figure that out. If you think that they try to take advantage of you, try to move as fast as possible to another prep center. All right, because integrity is the most important thing. It's something that you cannot change in a business relationship, and it's something that, as Warren Buffett said, this is the main thing that he looks for when he hires someone or he start working with a company and stuff. Integrity. Make sure that they have integrity, that they are not going to take advantage of you, that they have good values and stuff. And because if they have a fucked up set of values, it's not going to change. They are going to take advantage of you as well, and so move as fast as possible. All right, but before that, make sure, you need to figure out if it's your mistake or if it's their mistake and they try to take advantage of you. All right, that was number 3. Number 4 is thinking you can do the exact same thing as when you were ordering stuff to your house. Your business is going to change. All right, the type of product you're going to use, type of website you're going to order at, the number of order consolidation you are going to start dealing with. All this is going to change, and you're going to need to change your business a little bit. All right, because ordering stuff to your house is like easy mode. All right, so when it comes to online arbitrage, it's easy mode. It's super easy. All right, and you start working with Web Center, it gets a little bit more difficult. All right, it's not as easy because you have to pay fees. You have to pay, you have to pay prep fees. Yes, even if you're not paying sales tax, you still have to pay fees and stuff. And so it's a little bit more complicated to navigate and to actually find products to make money. Because you start paying someone else, like, so you need to be profitable on your labor and stuff. So it's a little bit more difficult. But once you know how to do it, once you actually understand the process, it pays back 10 times, right? So it's a little bit more difficult at the beginning, but it's gonna pay back, all right? So make sure you understand that your business is going to need to change, and throughout the life of your business, it's going to need to change multiple times, right? Not only because you're going to hire employees, not only because you're going to do all that stuff, but things always change and you need to keep up. And this is not the only place where your business will need to change. But it's probably going to be one of the first places where you are going to need to make some change, right? So just know you're going to need to make some change to your business. Look for different products, try different websites and stuff. And talking about websites, let's go to number 5. It's not testing websites at your prep center, because you think that websites that you ordered a lot at your house are not going to be they're not going to get cancellation if you order at your prep center. Like, you're wrong. You're going to get more, like, let me just give you an example. Right now, I'm probably sitting on $2,000, probably $1,500, $2,000 of gift cards from orders that were canceled last month. And I don't know what I'm going to do with them, right? Because I purchased a lot of gift cards to actually place orders on websites that I used to place a lot of orders at my house. And those orders were cancelled. So now I need to figure out on which gift card the money is and stuff. And because I did not take precautions and I did not try, smallly first. And so, you need to try the website. It's going to be different. Try the websites. Let's see if they cancel your orders. See if the orders go through and stuff. And because it's going to be a transition, as I said, you're going to need to transition. You're going to need to figure out new stuff and stuff, and it's going to change your workflow a little bit. So test the websites first. Do not go heavy, because if you get canceled, especially if you deal with gift card, you're going to get stuck with gift card. All right. So, and especially if you are just starting, if I was just starting and I had $2,000 that I was not able to spend and I was stuck in gift card, it will be a crazy bad time for me. Right now it's okay because I have more capital and stuff, and I can work with those gift cards maybe later. I'll just place a few orders to my house maybe next month, this coming month, and see how it goes. So this is how you do it. This is the 5 mistakes you need to avoid when you start working with Web Center. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you actually worked with the Prep Center, you made mistakes, or if there's a new mistake that I told about that you are going to try to avoid. I'll see you tomorrow. Watch the videos on the screen. New video every single day at some random hours. I'm trying to figure out new hours. Thank you for watching.